We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Big Play Ray, coming to y'all with another Copart walk around. Special thanks to Copart. Appreciate y'all letting me do this. Special thanks to the whole Hustle Nation. Y'all, let me just tell y'all right now before I start this video. It's so goddamn hot out here. I can't even keep my goddamn eyes open. You see what I'm saying? So we about to make this video quick. It was raining today where I'm, you know what I'm saying, where I live at and all that. I think I'm coming out here. It's still gonna be rainy a little bit. It's hot as hell. Literally. Okay, just let y'all know this. So we gonna be going through this shit real quick. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation. Greatly appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Yes, it's going down just a little bit, man. Make sure y'all go to, I should have brought my umbrella. Make sure y'all go to Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Appreciate y'all. And make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com if y'all want to learn how to check out cars, pick out good cars at the auction. You know what I'm saying? Not get scammed, not get jugged, not get finessed. Not go buy a car from a private party and drive off and your check engine light come on. Or a dealer. Auction, don't matter. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all do that, man. It's so hot. Let's get right into it. Alright, we making this walk around fast. We're gonna look at the stuff I want to look at, and that's gonna be that, because this is ridiculous out here, man. I'm thinking, oh, it's gonna be raining. It's gonna be raining when I get over here. Hell no, it's hot over here. I came to the wrong area. Okay, we got a 1996, I believe, Honda Civic with 200 and something thousand miles on it. It's already looking kind of busted and disgusted. I'm trying to let the heat come out that thing before I just hop in that thing. You know what I'm saying? So let's check it out, man. With a girl up front telling me some, what hoopties you looking at again today? Why y'all be hating on me? Why y'all be hating on me, man? Because I flip cars in a day when I get them? Is that why? I'll hate on that. Okay. Cool. You don't want to crank up? I ain't going to force you to. Let's move it. Alright. I know it's looked like it's been sitting up, but we got a Suzuki. It don't even got no dang on sticker on it. 200,000 miles. I don't know what year it is. It's on my phone. But I don't feel like grabbing my phone right now. I just want to get this shit over with. But what surprised me when I did look is the interior was super clean. Well, look like spider webs and stuff in here. Won't crank up either for me. So you know what? We're gonna keep it moving. I got a Chevelle to show y'all too. All right, and is this? No, that's not it. But we got another old Civic right here. DX 99 or 2000, got 180 on the miles, but it's a mechanical damage. Ooh, that heat just be coming out of there. Let's see. Oh man, I'm almost ready to get up out of here already. Yo, it's too goddamn hot, man. Maybe I need to come later in the day. Shit, don't crank up. All right. I'm sorry, y'all, but we're gonna have to keep moving then. It said mechanical anyway, but I just wanted to check and make sure. Glad that damn sun went down. Got a clean Toyota Camry here. I didn't see this little Camry on my list though. Hold up. Oh, that's why. Damn, but it's clean though, y'all. They had to put another knob on here. Whew. Nah, don't crank up. Damn, man. Cars don't want to crank up for your boy today. I got a Chevelle to show y'all. I'm about to go probably show y'all that real quick. I got 2 more cars to look at. If they don't crank up, oh well, goddammit. It's too hot out here today. Let me find this other car. Hold up, before I want to look at this Honda. What did it say? Insight? Insight, yeah, Honda Insight. Looks like the Accord. I was just driving like next to one of these, so I was like, man, let me, and I just seen it, so I'm like, man, let me check this out. What Nothing too special. It says it's a, oh, we got some money. It says it's a hybrid. I don't know if all these are hybrids. They look just like the Honda Accord. Similar. I wonder what made them make this one. I know it's probably a cheaper version of the Accord. Or are, damn, I keep tripping over these goddamn rocks. Or are they a cheaper version than the well, obviously it's probably gonna be a cheaper version than the Accord, but like, I don't know. I just don't know what made them make it. You know what I'm saying? I guess they was like, okay, so the people who can't afford it, I think that Accord is pretty high. So they was like, you know what? We're going to build the Insight look similar, and we're going to sell this joint. What y'all think about the Insight, though? Me, personally, I like the Honda Accord better. But it kind of looks like the Honda Accord, especially in the back, in the front. But the back just looks like it a little bit. But, they blasting over there or what? Let's keep it moving. Going ham over there, boy. So you know we in the woods somewhere. Blasting, boy. Alright, find these last two cars. Alright, since I'm walking past the Accord, this the Accord I'm talking about. Like, this Accord just look way more spiffy. It says VTEC on the are those covers though? Yeah, trying to fool somebody. So I think somebody who just put those on there. But the wheels look better and everything on this joint right here. The front look the same as that Insight over there. But look at this. Well, this one got leather and everything. This just looks so much better than that Insight over there. But these frame number. What the hell is this? What's this? Oh, that's the VIN number, I guess. What? Why did they put that right there though? Like, what was the reason for that? How'd you paraphernalia right there, or what? That's the only thing I can really see. But yeah, man, this one darked out. This one nice, yo. I like this one. I don't know. I think I remember I asked y'all before, but I was like, y'all, do y'all like the Honda? This is a sport version. I was like, y'all, do y'all like the Honda Accord, the new Honda Accord, better than the Civic? Y'all let me know in the comments below. I don't know, because that new Camry is hard too. I mean, damn, the new Honda Accord over the Toyota Camry. Which one y'all like better, the new Honda Accord or the new Toyota Camry? I remember I asked y'all that before. But let me show y'all these last two cars for real this time. The sun done went down though, but got the blue stain right there. But let me fast forward. All right, we got a Toyota Highlander here. Let's get right into it, man. See if it's gonna crank up. Let's not waste no time. Hustle Nation, man. Straight up. Oh, damn. Ain't no. It's already bad. It's already looking bad for it. Damn window don't work. I know y'all might be like, oh, it's just the window. Window means something to me. And of course not. All right, I see. He crazy. All right, I see two trucks, man. This one, and I did see this one. So I don't know which one it is, but it's one of these. So let's see which one it is, man. I know I'm fucking hot as hell, man. Straight up. I know y'all tired of hearing that, but y'all don't understand how hot it is out here. Woo! We got one that's gonna crank up. Hopefully. Nope. I ain't gonna fool with it, y'all. I really don't have time today. It's too hot. All right, and then I gotta show y'all this old Mitsubishi that they kind of got some money on if I can find it. Okay, and then they got this one, which I'm pretty sure this one is not gonna be it right here. But it might be. No, hell no, this ain't it. Not looking like this. No. It's clean though, but that's the salvage title one. Okay, so we're gonna do this walk around this little loop one more time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the title and the thumbnail is about. Okay, we walked all the way back around here, so now let's go all the way back up to the front We don't find that damn Mitsubishi, oh well. All right, now this is a Mitsubishi Mighty Max 1994 with 119,000 miles on it. Now you definitely don't see these often here. So this is the last one that I wanted to look at before I show y'all the Chevelle. They put the goddamn .com on here. Man, this is one nice truck right here. Mitsubishi truck. You don't see these. 119,000 miles, 1994. Clean interior. It is stick shift, so y'all know I don't want it, but I don't know, power, huh? Of course not. It's all good though. I ain't want it no way. But I just want to show y'all it. Looks like a nice little truck. You don't see these often. I don't think I've ever seen one of these on the street before ever. Y'all let me know if y'all have. Okay, so a little 4-cylinder, little 4-banger. It do got some oil like right there and everything. From the valve cover, it looks like a pretty easily fixed as long as you move the air intake and everything. Fuel injected. Yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all think about this little guy, this guy right here. You don't really see these often, and y'all can't, you know, don't be asking me how much it's gonna go for and all that. I don't know how much it's gonna go for. You know, I'm not gonna watch anything sell in this auction because I haven't found anything today. But I will show y'all the Chevelle and tell y'all how much money they got on it. So I'll see y'all when I get to the Chevelle. All right, I'm gonna show y'all this Chevelle real quick. I wonder if the hood just gonna pop open if you let it open. They already got like 11,000 on this boy, 11.5. This was in excellent condition. Damn. Yeah, this mug is in nice condition. Looks all original. Hope y'all can see, it's kind of dark. Even the headliner look nice too. I ain't gonna try to what the hell is the fucking, oh damn, I hit my goddamn head. Oh, this brake release. Yo, I don't ever know how to open these goddamn these goddamn hoods, man. I don't think this joint got no power though. Give me a, oh shit. Let's see if I can see if I can open the hood on it. I don't know how to open this goddamn hood. Let me see. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to pop this bitch. Hold up. Fucking pop this goddamn hood. Damn, y'all probably gonna talk about me, but I do not know how to open this goddamn hood. Straight up. All this fancy shit they got going on. Well, it's not fancy. I know this old school stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm a 90s baby. So, I don't know how to open it, man. I'm sorry. Y'all fucking pop this hood, man. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. Got power, though. Hold on. Up. But alright, man, y'all see it, man. I don't know how to pop the goddamn on hood. Hold on. Yeah, we neither one of us know how to open the hood, yo. But they got the Corvette Stingray. Damn, this bitch locked too. convertible. They got the McLaren. Ooh, check out the McLaren. Okay. 720S with the beige interior. Yeah, I can see why. Then they got the Bentley right here. I like these wheels. Even though these are the factory wheels, these wheels kind of scrape. Yeah, the doors is locked. Let me put my name right there. Y'all see what that say? I kind of fucked it up, but big play. But alright. See, we still trying to pop the hood. Don't nobody know how to pop the goddamn hood. But they got the Bentley. Okay, so it's the button. Okay, so it's this right here. Okay. Okay, y'all see it. We finally got it open for y'all. Carbureted. You said just need some gas. That's why I won't crank up. Got the Summit Racing. Fuel, whatever the hell. But yeah, man, this mug look nice, man. I don't know if it really got no speed. What's going on here? So everything look like it's pretty much almost still original on this guy right here. But yeah, he said I just need gas. They did have it cranked up yesterday. So yeah, man, let me see what year this is for y'all. 1970. Hold up, let me put this back where it was. I'm messing nothing up. I'm messing nothing up. Yeah, man, they got all the nice cars. 1972 Chevelle SS. They are at 11.5. The Corvette and no 11.4. 11.4. The Corvette, the McLaren, and the Bentley is not yet for sale. But I like the Bentley though. The Bentley got them wheels. Oh, I thought you was gonna spin like the Ford Giottos. Okay, a Rolls Royce. That joint, man. I think this is an older one right here. They don't got the date. What year is the McLaren? They don't got the date either. But alright, that's enough playing, y'all. Alright, Hustle Nation, and just like that, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. It's gonna be a wrap. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Shout out to the whole entire Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all haven't already. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell if y'all haven't already. Make sure y'all, show y'all boy, y'all appreciate your boy. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like the video, man, because I really do appreciate y'all, man. So, I'm trying to come with content for y'all every single day, and I appreciate y'all watching every single day, seriously, I also appreciate Copart for letting me do this, man. So I just want to express, keep expressing that to y'all, that I really do appreciate y'all, man. I fucking love y'all, for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? But again, shouts out to the whole entire Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram if y'all haven't already, at wehustledaily.co. That's my Instagram account. Boy, exercise out here, boy. And make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all want to learn how to check out cars, pick out good cars at the auction, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all share the video if y'all would like. I would greatly appreciate that as well. wehustledaily.com. You don't have to be trying to buy a car from an auction. You can be trying to buy a car from a private party. It doesn't matter. I'm showing y'all how to pick out good cars, whether private party, whether auction. I got 2 packages on there for y'all. And I got a lot of tips and tricks, showing y'all like what all the stuff that I use at auction. So make sure y'all check out the website, man. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm gone. It's hot as hell today. I'm gone. Peace.